Hello and welcome to TAIK. I'm Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the change data detection in Power BI. It is a premium per user license or it's a premium feature. It is not available for the pro for information. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is the Power BI file, and here as you can see there are three ways you can find the change detection. One is go to modeling tab, and there you have the change detection. Right click the table and change detection, as well as in the blank, click on blank area of this page, and at the bottom you have this page refresh. To expand this one, you have these two options. One is auto page refresh and the other is change detection. We'll discuss about the change detection now. So click here, add change detection. It will open up this pop-up window like this, and you can improve performance by only refreshing your data if the result of this measure changes. And here you can define your own measure or you can create a new one, and you need to choose a calculation here. I'm selecting the total sales here, and in the choose of the calculation I'm selecting the maximum, whereas we have this option like count distinct, minimum, maximum and sum. I'm selecting the sum here, maximum for now, and choosing the sales value. Choose a full apply. And here for check for the changes for every 5 minutes is by default, and we can change it to 5 seconds, 5 hours, or even we can change the seconds as well. So I'm changing it to 5 seconds now. So click apply. So for every 5 seconds it is going to refresh this page. So let's wait for this. For every 5 seconds, it will go and check the data source whether it is refreshing, if it has any changes in the value or not. As you can see here, change detection maximum sales, check for every 5 seconds. You can click anytime here, edit change detection. As you can see, it has created a new measure on the field span because we have used this change detection, right? So it is created a new measure here for its own calculation purpose. And now I am going to insert a new record to see whether this data is refreshing it or not. So I'm going to, it has the 6 categories and total now it has changed to 7 because data is refreshed as it's checking for every 5 seconds, so it is checking it here. Now let's add one more record. Still the category is 7 now. As you can see, it will load this one, yes, right? And now you can publish this report into PowerBI service, but make sure your that workspace has to be the premium or premium per user workspace. As you can see here, what it says, your refresh interval might change. The refresh interval you have set for this report might change if your capacity admin set a longer one or disables automatic refresh, page refresh. Contact your admin to make changes. So this notification it shows here because the thing in the PowerBI desktop, whatever you are doing is for your testing purpose, and when you publish it to PowerBI service, it is going to have an effect based on the admin tenant settings what they have set on the PowerBI service. So this is okay. So let's open this file. So now as you can see, this is a PowerBI admin portal. So here in this PowerBI premium preview, as I'm using it now, because it has all the capabilities of the premium but only for this one workspace. I made a video about the premium per user workspace, how you can activate and what are the features available with that. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back here, you have to select this premium per user preview features, and you can see it here. There are 3 options available. One is auto refresh, it is automatic here, which we have already discussed about this in our previous video. So if you haven't checked this as well, just click on this link given on top of your screen. Now again coming back here, the change detection measure. So it is on and it is set to 30 seconds here, whereas what we have tested in PowerBI desktop we have set to 5 seconds, but now here the admin has set as 30 seconds. If you want to change, we can change this as well. So I'm changing it to 20 seconds for now and click apply. So it will apply these settings, and let's go to the PowerBI app which we already developed. It is refreshing data. It is still 6, so it is refreshing it now. See, 9 it has come up here. So let's publish because we have overwritten the report on this PowerBI workspace, right? I want to republish this as an app from the same testing workspace. So testing workspace here, update the app, update app, go to app. So as you can see, it is just slightly refreshing for every 5 seconds to make sure whether the data is being updated or not. So now let's go and insert some data in the SQL Server. And now for every 20 seconds, see, it is refreshing and the value has updated here. So this is how the change detection data works in Power BI. In our previous video, we have seen how you can set automatic page refresh, and that is will refresh all the visuals on the page. If we set it to a shorter period, then it will have a huge impact of in Power BI performance, because as it is refreshing for every, say for example you are setting it to 30 seconds, it is refreshing the whole page for 30 seconds. But here in the change detection data type, if you set this, it will just check for only one particular measure, and if there is a change in the data set, then it's going to get the data from the source, or else it will not refresh the dashboard or report. That's a cool thing, right? But the thing is, it is only available for the premium or premium per user workspaces. So make sure you use this premium or premium per user workspace for this time. I hope you got a brief idea about how it actually works. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.